Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. Bitcoin stable on the weekend, even with this big hack from Bybit. This was the hack where we saw Bybit got hacked, biggest robbery in history, 1.4 billion. Bitcoin dropped from 96 down to 94 and then got a bounce back to 96 and then faded over the weekend down to 95. The last 15-minute candles, we had some weird spike to 96,200 and then pulling back. But look at that volume spike in the last 30 minutes. Interesting. That was a 15-minute candle and they bought like 10 times the normal amount of Bitcoin. You can see this is 22 Bitcoin. So this one is like 20, 40, 60, 80, 100 to around 200 Bitcoin someone just bought. You can join them in the guru chat, people discussing. The biggest risk of all is not taking one. Melody Hobson, 3.31 trillion market cap, 1.6 million views, Bitcoin price.live. You can set this up on your TV as well and watch the charts live. 60k bonus when you trade with Bybit if you use this QR code. Become a student, take the crypto master course, stock guru master course. We're back in neutral. We were in greed for one day on Friday before the Bybit hack, and then we dropped back off. 55% dominance, funding fee positive, 95,900. We're getting that spike. We'll jump into technicals for Bitcoin. I'll show you my Bitcoin and Ethereum trades that I have active, and we'll do technicals on Ethereum as well. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up button, turn on the bell, request any tickers down below. I'll try to get through them. I'll do XRP because that was the most requested. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into technicals. My Bybit account 447. I took out $500,000 on the Bybit drop because on the Bybit hack, just in case we don't know how bad the hack was. That's why not your keys, not your crypto. You can see my Bitcoin trades that are active, and again Bitcoin pulling back to 95,200. 99 before the hack, we came down to 94, bounced to 97, and then back to 95. I have trade set on Bitcoin at 93,600 and 93,600. I have some Bitcoin trades to add here. It's going to add half a Bitcoin there. My Bitcoin trade, $5,000 in profits. Funding fee is currently positive. I paid $2,000 now for this trade. It's quite a big one, 618,000 Bitcoin, $2,000 in fees. It's been open 2 weeks. It's $5,000 in profits. This Ethereum trade, 3,300 in profits. Funding fee also positive. And you can see where I added on that dip, where I sold at 100 and some 10 Ethereum, and then I bought here 30 Ethereum. And then we've pushed back out, and Ethereum slightly pumping actually, 2,800. It fully recovered the drop, which is interesting. We've fully recovered that drop. It looks very bullish on Ethereum actually. $3,000 profits, and I've got altcoins as well. Let's go into the technicals for Bitcoin and Ethereum and XRP if I can. Altcoins a little bit down over the weekend, but not too much. Bitcoin 96,000. Bitcoin is ready to break out of this symmetrical triangle. And remember how I said it could come down, break out, come down, retest, and bounce with volume. Now we need to get a push off, and you can see this massive descending wedge that's playing out. It's a bullish pattern, a descending wedge. I've been talking about it for a while. The weekly candles, we have 19 minutes left of the week, and the weekly candle will be, this weekly candle would be again a doji candle, 18 minutes remaining. Let's go back. 4-hourly descending wedge going to play out. I would still take a trade. Safest point is from 93,600. Stop loss 92,600. Take profit 106. 13 risk to reward ratio, risking 936 to make 12,000. 10x average 120,000. And the safer trade, the bigger one, is from the channel from 91, which you can see for months we've been in 91 to 106. Bitcoin looking bullish on this breakout as well, but I would still keep it at 93 to activate the trade. You could take a riskier trade off this potential push out of this descending wedge, take it from here, but it is riskier. I would put a tighter stop loss and then take it to the same target. This one is 16 risk to reward ratio, 650 to make $11,000 with 10x average 110,000. Let's go into Ethereum. Ethereum 2,800. Ethereum pushing very strong after the hack, and you can see that this symmetrical triangle is breaking out. We've got this symmetrical triangle and it's pushing out, builds pressure and breaks out. Target is 3,100. but it's already been pushing out from the low. The trade also activated. The low was 2,600. We're already at 2,800. That Ethereum trade is now pushing out of this pattern. Actually, my 100 Ethereum trade was more in positive here at 2,800. When I had that 100 Ethereum trade, it was like $15,000 in profits. Now my Ethereum trade is only 3,000 because I only have a 30 Ethereum trade. Where I sold here but we pushed out. Look, quicker. It's like going for it on Ethereum. I wonder what's buying so much of it. I have some Ethereum buys set at 2,600, 2,200, 2,500. Those are where I've got Ethereum buys. But it looks like it is going to go for a run right now. And I have 30 Ethereum. We pushed out to 2,859. Let's go into the technicals for Ethereum. You can see it's breaking out of that symmetrical triangle. And then if you zoom out, you can see it's breaking out of this bigger descending wedge. Huge descending wedge. Target of this wedge, builds pressure, would be 3,100, which it's going for right now. Stochastic on the weekly oversold. On the daily, we are heading up quite strong. On the daily, it looks very bullish. I would still keep it at 2,653, stop loss 2,555, take profit 4,000, risk toward is 15 times, risking 98 per Ethereum to make 1,500, 10x leverage would be 15,000. Should I add more? I think I'll add more at 2,600, which I already have the order. You can see I've already got this order placed at 2,600, but it does look quite bullish right now. Ethereum is starting to move out. It's actually higher than before the hack. Crazy. It went higher than before the hack. Before the hack, we were 2,800. It dropped down to 2,600. Now we're at 2,800 again. So it fully recovered the Bybit hack of $1.4 billion worth of Ethereum, which is quite incredible, showing massive strength. Should I add more or wait for a pullback? I've got trade at 2,600. I'll wait for a pullback. I'm quite heavy in these trades right now. Let's go into XRP because it is one of the most requested. And then I'll check out the weekly finish on Bitcoin. XRP USDT. On the daily, on the weekly, you can see that we have a bull flag. It's the 1.7 was $1.07 was the main support when it pulled back strongly. Stochastic is coming down on the weekly, on the daily as well. A little bit of a head and shoulders I'm seeing here. A little bit head, shoulder. So it's possible to drop for XRP, but it does look like a little bit of a bull flag. But if you're going to take this trade, I would try to take it from 1.9 on the yearly support, because it does look like a head and shoulders. If you want to take trade for XRP, this is the trade I would take. However, I don't trade so much XRP. It was only because it was requested, but I would take it from $1.90, stop loss $1.70, take profit $3.60, risk towards 7 times. 84% profit without leverage, 840% with 10x leverage. Those are the trades I would take. Don't forget, join us in the Telegram. There is 262 of you online. You can join them in the conversation right now. 262 people on Telegram. Highly moderated Telegram as well. So join them all in the conversation. Shouldn't the guy at Bybit who authorized the transaction check it? So they were hacked. It wasn't that they just misplaced the transaction. They were actually hacked. Someone managed to access their wallets. What is your deposit on Bybit right now? I'm not sure what you mean. No proof of any buying. A crypto exchange will never buy back complete loss 24 hours. So they took a loan, and apparently they have already proven that there is on chain that they've bought more than 100 million of Ethereum. But what we're seeing, Guru, please do XRP, done, Sui, maybe if there's more requests. Trump coin, people got burnt on it. Is World still good? Yes, I bought more yesterday, but I'm buying it at supports. Best financial expert out there. Thank you, everyone. Let's go, Gurus. Beautiful. That's my updates in the market, everyone. All the links are down below. You can join them. 60K bonus when you sign up with Bybit. Weex, $200 bonus. Bitunix, $8,000 bonus. Weex and Bitunix KYC free worldwide exchange. and jamescryptoguru.com for the Telegram and for the courses. And I'll leave it at that. Bitcoin and Ethereum looking like they're pumping. Ethereum, I do think that Bybit is buying back the tokens. That's why we've already recovered the price above the hack price. So Ethereum could get ready to go. Maybe I add a little bit more of Ethereum here because that's showing massive strength to recover from the hack so easily. I'm going to add 5 more Ethereum at this price. Just because my trade was much bigger, I'm going to add 5 Ethereum. Let's see if it executes. Oh, it's going up. 820. Let's see if the trade activates. I added 5 more Ethereum. That's my updates in the market. Everyone, hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up button, turn on the bell. Have an amazing day. Make sure you take the Crypto Master Course, Stock Room Master Course, then join us in the Telegram to communicate. And let's see if this Ethereum trade activates and what a recovery on Ethereum. I sold on the news of the hack for $6,000 in profits. Then we dropped. I added 30 Ethereum to the trade, but actually my trade would be more in profits now if I just held that 110 Ethereum trade, now sitting at 2,800 because it recovered so quickly. Love you all. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.